ladies and gentlemen. My name is Strategist. I am the leader of this team. Let's introduce my teammates.
Hi guys, my name is Sudarshan, son of Feynman.
Hello guys, I'm Kawaruman Chandrawan. Hello, my name is Simil, son of Yuraka.
The experiment name is our dance. Let's see what is the material of this experiment.
Materials we need to use this project is 1 water, 3 strokes, 3 balloon, 3 rubber bands.
And then, come let's see what is the procedure of this experiment.
First of all, cut middle of the water and then take the balloon. Little end of the balloon. If difficult to use the balloon, we can use a plastic.
What if I do that? Also,
Like this.
Inside the balloon is should end of the curve. Like this. And then tie the rubber band.
tweet.
And that's the cover to maintain the position. And then make the whole cover of the bottle. And then put the set of lungs into the bottle.
Our experiment was done.
This experiment explains how our lungs works.
Thank you, ladies and gentlemen.